Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's been, I think, almost a year since I've uploaded a video, so I am very, very rusty. However, excited to get back. I've missed all of you. I know that some of you have kept in touch with me on Instagram, where I've been a little bit active. But anyhow, I'm very excited to be back here again, sharing, and I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. Today we have the unboxing of the items that I purchased from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collection. I know I'm late unboxing them. I really received them very early on, but I'm just getting around to share them with you, and I figured, why not? Let's go ahead and get into it with one of my favorite designers, Louis Vuitton. Now, before we get into the unboxing, there's been a lot of noise and a lot of videos about how this launch was handled. I'm not really going to get into that because I don't want to waste any time. I want to show you what I received. I ordered 5 items and I received 4 of the 5. The 5th one has not been canceled, but it's still out there waiting to see if it's going to come in. I don't know if it's going to come in or not. If it does come in, I will share it with you. And if it doesn't come in, then I'll let you know what it is. We're going to go ahead and get started with the smallest item. I already unboxed them weeks ago. And so let's go ahead and get started. This is the smallest item. I did receive the tissue paper. I know that was a bone of contention. I also received the ribbon, and I also received these cute little, I have the panda, and I have this one. And other than that, I think all of the ones I received were pandas. The tissue paper is very, very pretty. I'm sure you've seen it a million times, but here it is with all the multicolor and just so pretty. Other than that, it's in the regular box. And yes, I wish that I would receive a different box, but I didn't. Here is the item. And this is the key clay in the black Murakami pattern with the silver zipper. Love it. It is so adorable. And it was interesting. It came with this, which generally I don't recall this type of tag, but it came with this and this one here. And here you have your hanging little clip for your keys if you want to put your keys on here. And super adorable. I really wanted to get this one. I have to say I consider myself lucky. Everything I asked for, I got, except for that one pending item. But anyhow, I know this was a very popular one. It's just very, very cute. The item number 2 is right here. Again, ribbon and the little panda. I got a lot of the little panda. Tissue paper. Inside, this right here, to reveal the adorable Romy card holder in the hot pink on prompt leather with the beautiful white multicolor and the adorable little panda right here. I have not taken the plastic off. I have not used this at all. Gold zipper. Opens up. And of course it has for you to put card holders here, and this is probably just the regular. So this is my second one. I could not contain myself just because if you remember me, I love pink. I'm all into the pink. So this is the second item, this cutie patootie, the Romy card. Someone that watched me a long, long time ago, you are going to know what this is, or at least know why I picked it up. Again, the panda with the ribbon, tissue paper, and inside is the bandeau. This is the traditional sized bandeau in black with the Murakami multicolor. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you know that I love my bandeaus. I have a collection of them. And so I was very excited to go ahead and add this to the collection. Last but not least is in this box. Here's the ribbon. Again, I received 2 out of the 4, I guess, that they had. Tissue paper, and this may give you an inkling of what it is. I picked up the LV Takashi Murakami notebook. Also something I absolutely love, in white with a very pale blue. And it is simply plain lined notebook. Inside, this is the front page. It's very, very beautiful. And then it has the gold foil right on the outside of the pages. So this is my 4th item that I picked up from the collection. Those are the items that I picked up from the LV Takashi Murakami collection. Like I said, there is one more that I ordered. I have not received it. It is not a handbag. I did not order any handbags from this collection. My hands on these items, and I was lucky enough to get them. So if I get the 5th item, I will share it with you. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming back. If you are someone that has been subscribed to me for a long time, and if you're new and you've made it through the video, hi, my name is Isabel. I didn't want to waste any time. I wanted to show you what I got because I am very late to the game. And I love luxury, all sorts of things, specifically handbags and shoes. But in any event, I hope that you will come back to my other videos. I will be uploading a couple more. I've been off of YouTube, I think more than a year, to be frank. It's probably been more than a year since I've uploaded a video. And during that time, I think it's been a year and a half, maybe 2 years, I'll have to check. I have certainly changed my collection, bought some new things, sold some old things. And so I think that you will enjoy seeing how my collection has evolved. Anyhow, have a fantastic day. I hope everyone had a wonderful Valentine's or Galentine's Day, and I will see you soon. Bye.